As you may have a US Master of Laws degree and legal experience, which further legal career perspective would you choose? A Cambridge LLM degree in the United Kingdom or a New York bar admission in the United States? Surely, both of them are top-notch legal career opportunities. Each, however, has its own requirements and benefits. Now, let's quickly compare those perspectives and select the winner. My name is Dmitry Beruk. I'm an international business attorney licensed to practice law in Ukraine and New York. On one hand, we have the Cambridge LLM. It requires you to study for 1 year at one of the best law schools in the world. To get the LLM degree, you have to take various legal exams. Those exams, though, differ from a bar exam for admission to the legal profession. As a result of your LLM graduation, you gain an opportunity to take a bar exam and may ultimately get a bar admission in the UK. On the other hand, we have a New York bar admission. It first requires you to get a USJD or LLM degree. Then you must take and pass a US bar exam, for example, the New York State bar exam. If not the toughest, the NY bar exam is certainly one of the hardest exams you can ever imagine. No wonder you need to undergo a complex New York bar exam preparation. You may easily run into a burnout, for instance, depending on your New York bar prep course and study approach. Compared with the Cambridge LLM study, the New York bar prep takes much less time. If you fail a US bar exam, you have to wait at least half a year until you get a chance to sit for bar exam again. To raise your stakes to succeed, you should review the best bar exam prep courses and improve your bar exam preparation. After passing a US bar exam, you get admitted to the bar and become a US attorney. That means you are qualified to practice law in at least one American state. Specifically, once you pass the New York bar exam, you get the New York bar admission and qualify as a New York attorney. As you can see, the New York bar admission is a way higher and harder bar than the Cambridge LLM degree. So, which one would you prefer? Just leave your comment below. Are you wondering who and why won this Battle of Titans? In my case, the answers may surprise you. Check out my detailed post by the link right here. Finally, to discover the New York bar exam preparation know-how, subscribe to our YouTube channel and newsletter right now.